Hello, namaste, salam alaikum, and welcome today to another episode of the Lazy Man's FUT journey. So, in the first episode, what happened? Not a lot, to be quite
कुछ मुंह में घुसेड़ा उसके बाद गले को उधेड़ के नाक से बाहर निकाला उसके बाद मेरी बत्ती
completely honest with you. We played a few games in the Silver Surfer, World Tour, Silver Leagues, whatever the name that EA has given it, and बहुत अच्छा तो खेला नहीं है. 2 मैच खेले, दोनों हार गए.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
Let's not talk about that. So today, what we have in store for today for all of you guys again, 3 लोग देख रहे होंगे अभी. So what all we have in store for you today is an pack opening.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Because rivals का rewards आ चुके हैं in the account, so I've got a few cards with a couple thousand coins and some packs. So without any further ado, welcome to Singside and welcome to today's video.
यार मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है.
So I have 282 pluses and 183 pluses. So let's start with the 83 plus one. Let's see the first player. Hello, in real life, good player for Barcelona, good player for Man City and all the places that he's. I mean, again, good fodder, but not a player that I'm very happy to back. And it's an untradeable one, so it's okay. SBCs. Let's pick another pack. Good player.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Let's not let my intrusive thoughts win here. Hey, I already have him. So looks like such a nice boy, you know. Kind of looks like someone जो हैरी पॉटर के शो में कहीं ना कहीं होगा probably, you know, ग्रिफिंडोर में जिसको पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं, you know, because he's, you know, so innocent and there's nothing wrong.
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
एलेक्स बर्जर पेंट्स को हम अभी के लिए लेंगे and yeah, great start. Honestly, the first episode I said that मेरा पैक काफी अच्छा रहा है and honestly it has been very good. क्या पता मैंने बोल के खुद की ना लगवा ली हो. Anyways, none of these are tradable. That's a shame. Anyways, so I'll open the 3x81 pack first. Let's see. It's nothing. Honestly.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Should have been a lot better, but it's okay. Again, as I said, internet पर slow है, yada yada. So now let's open the 5x83 plus pack. It's a walkout. Hold on. Oh, black! Yay!
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Next, 10x75. Nothing to expect from this pack. These packs are usually duds. Yeah, it's a dud. It's less than 84, so we don't. No point in showing the players. So yeah. Thus far, great pack opening. Next we have the mega pack, which has 18 gold rare players. It's really good. Let's just hope we back something good. No. Oh, honestly. Oh, Militao. Militao is very, very good. Again, I would be so happy if I had bagged Militao, if I did not have Militao already in my team. And a better one than this one. Anyways, Madison, okay. Yes, Ramiro. Endoy actually could be very useful in some of the SBCs, but I don't think so. Yes, no duplicates. Now to the final pack, the big one. This is. See, so the problem with the 85 to 89 players pack is that it is almost like 70%, I don't know how much percent, but very high percentage chance that's going to be a walkout. And thus far I've had very good pulls from this. I packed Kunde once, I packed them.
ਸਮਾਨ ਸਮੂਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘੱਟ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਓਏ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਆ ਗਈ ਪੁਲਿਸ। ਓ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਓਏ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੀ ਆ। ਡਰੋਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੋਡੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਵਾ ਇਹ। ਅੱਛਾ ਮੋਡੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਵਾ ਬਾਬੇ।
And demo. Don't really care. The United player, the bald one. So yeah, I packed him, and let's hope that this one goes good. It's a walkout. It's a striker. It's a female striker. Okay. That's yeah. It's okay. Like
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
there's an into the 150k pack, which if the comment section genuinely demands it, I will open some more packs. But I think that's it for the pack opening. Now let's head on to the game. Let's try not to lose as bad as we did last time. Anyways, yeah. So by the time we're searching for some opponents and searching for some players to play with, I would just like to inform you again that please like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to. Just
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
yeah, so please interact with this video as much as you can, because honestly I'm trying to build this up, and every like, every comment, every share, everything would motivate me to make more content. And I promise you that more and more in-depth content is coming up very soon on this channel. We're going to be doing a hell lot more than just FIFA. Right now I'm just restricting to FIFA because I think that's the content that I can make the most easily. Other content, for other wrestling, manager mode and everything like that, I need someone else with me in the video. But that is also coming up on the channel. Manager mode mayhem is coming up. We will be taking a team and we'll be managing it from scratch. We'll be giving each other budget and some challenges to do. And yeah, so I'll be having that with my brother or my friends, and then I'll also be playing some football games like football tic-tac-toe, football crossover, football fill in the blanks, and the shebang. Yeah, so that's what's in store, and we've started the match, so let's go.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ।
This angle is a little bit weird for me. I know अब लोग बोलोगे कि भाई खुद ही सेट करा, खुद ही weird बोल रहा है, बड़ा अजीब है, but that is what it is. Let's see. Close. I get kind of nervous on the camera. I'm like, oh my god. पता ही नहीं था किसी को कि मैं nervous भी हो सकता हूँ. It's the most obvious thing. Honestly, बचपन से मेरी बहुत हमेशा से आदत थी कि मैं खुद से बहुत बात करता था और सबके सामने एकदम शांत रहता था. तो I just felt कि YouTube में तो कर ही लूँगा मैं, but so far haven't had the best of luck. Okay, Loom.
I am sorry, Babu.
Anyways, also do let me know if you want to, base this series around one player or something like that. That's also an option, because I've seen Mini Minter do it quite sometimes. I think his series was the very best some 5-6 years ago, where he made it around. Because I'm talking too much for a guy who's just about to concede a goal, honestly. Anyways, so yeah. Freddy. अरे बाहर क्यों outs? हाँ. So yeah, if you want that to happen, that's also a possibility. We'll make it around maybe Simeone. We can make it around Van Dijk or Militao or any of the players that I have. Maybe we can have it around Patrick Dorgu and call it Dorgu with a lay. Just an option. Okay. And it's a goal. Giuliano Simeone भाई इतना प्यारा खेल रहा है लौंडा, इतना तेज, एकदम छोटा सा भागता है. मतलब honestly in real life बोल रहा हूँ भी बहुत बड़ा फैन जैसा एथलेटिको का मैं नहीं, but the few games that I've seen him play for चलो सिमियोनी भैया, सिमियोनी का लौंडा बहुत प्यारा है. SKL भाई, सिमियोनी का लौंडा. डिएगो सिमियोनी, कब से सोचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ क्या नाम है उसके पापा का, डिएगो सिमियोनी। द हेल भाई, आई फील रियली स्टूपिड। एनीवेज, तो सिमियोनी का लौंडा, लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट कॉलिंग हिम एसकेएल फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन। एसकेएल हैज बीन गुड, स्कोर्ड 2 गोल्स ऑलरेडी। होपफुली और भी मारूं मैं। नियर पोस्ट, एसकेएल, कम ऑन यार, कम ऑन। हाफ ऑफ मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि भाई यही लौंडा था ना तो अभी पिछले मैच में, पिछले एपिसोड में 3-0 पिट रहा था, 4-5 को खा रहा था मजे। दिन होता है यार, दिन होता है बोलते ही मुझे। दिन होता है मैंने बोलते ही गोल खाया। देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है। लेट्स सू, अरे अरे नहीं 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 नहीं,
ए उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा, मुझे अमीर को नहीं रे।
मतलब आई थिंक ये ओब्लाक की नजर लगी है मेरे को, जो मैंने ओब्लाक को बोला था कि नो ये बेकार गोलकीपर है और मेरी टीम में तो खेल ही नहीं सकता। ये उसी की हाई लगी है कि वो हैज नॉट शोन अप इन दिस गेम thus far। बट ठीक है अभी
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं।
ठीक है। ओ also like I think I'll ask, I edit it in, but in any case if you feel that I'm going a little bit too slow or game थोड़ा धीरे चल रहा है तो please feel free to adjust this the playback slider to 1.25x।
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप, हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोलने की?
First half done, the score is 4-4। honestly had I just logged in हो सकता है मेरा स्कोर बेटर होता, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर डिफेंडिंग होनी चाहिए मैं एम डूइंग राइट नाउ, बट यही है मेरा गेम। अटैक हो जाता है, मिडफील्ड में भी थोड़ी पासिंग वासिंग हो जाती है, डिफेंडिंग मेरी अट्रोशियस है, लाइक अट्रोशियस। अभी मेरे पास वैन डाइक और मिलिटाओ, honestly one of two of the best centre backs in the game still, so I can't even blame my players, I can just blame myself। again अंदूर से करके देखते हैं कुछ ना कुछ। that's a yellow, that's a yellow। I don't know why you did it, like I was not even close to scoring। त्रेहो को बॉल दो, त्रेहो 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 त्रेहो, come on।
नाइस।
अभी गोल ही बहुत बड़ा, गोल नहीं खाना गोल मारना दो ही इम्पोर्टेंट। एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट अ फुटबॉल मैच इज, गोल नहीं खाना और गोल मारना। Come on, वाह वाह,
तुमसे ना हो पाए।
अरे भाई साहब, come on come on come on come on, 88 minute SKL, fucking SKL। अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं,
रोज आते हैं इस उम्मीद पे आज जीतेंगे, कल जीतेंगे, परसों जीतेंगे, रोज हारते हैं।
चलो भाई अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, नवानेरी कुछ कर दे भाई, चलो चलो चलो, नहीं 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 नहीं, अरे एडवांटेज लेना था भाई मेरे। अरे so a game I should be winning, I didn't even manage to draw, and I lost. Great series. So again, yeah. So for our next few episodes, we have a few options that we can do. We can try to evolve a few players. What you would like, if you would like to see me evolve a few players with some cosmetics or something like that, please do let me know. If you want this series to be about,
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
you want the series to be about a certain player, maybe Simeone ke Sale Saab, or maybe like what was that? Doru ke Dalle. So please do let me know if that's what you want. Baki, in the next episode, do let me know what you want, any recommendations, anything. I'm open to it. Any criticism, everything. Do let me know in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram. The handle is SingSide05. Till I see you next time, please keep it light because
मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव सा हूँ